Hello, in this video I'll show you how to install pycharm in your system and how to use it. So let's start. So first of all you have to go to the Google and just search, and this page will pop up. Download in the first link and you will get this interface, and you can see that here we have a three option for Windows, Mac OS and Linux, and we have two type of pycharm. First one is professional and the second one is community. The difference between the professional and community is the professional is for scientific and web Python development with HTML, JS and SQL support, and this is not a free software. This is paid version but free for 30 days trial version. But community version is free and built in open source, so you can download it and enjoy it. And you have to remember that this is for pure Python development. So now I will click to download the community version here. So you can see that in below section it is downloading. So I already downloaded, so I'm cancelling here, and from the download section you can see that the same software is present in my download section. So go to show in folder and just cut it, Ctrl X, and paste it in your desktop. So here is our Python setup. Now double click or you can right click on it and press run as administrator, and just press yes to allow these apps to make changes to your device. Now click next, and you can see that your destination folder, the folder in which the pycharm will be installed. Press next to allow, and from this section you can click create desktop shortcut. Also click update context menu, create associate py, and if you'll click this one update path variable, then you have to restart your PC after the installation. Just click next and install. So now this will take few minutes to extract all the necessary files in your system. So till then wait and watch, and I'll fast forward this part. So you can see that our installation process is almost complete. So if you want to restart your PC now, then click reboot now and then click finish, and if you want to reboot later, then click here and then press finish. So I am just selecting I want to manually reboot later. So but I am recommending you please restart or reboot your PC once this setup will finish, because it will set up all the thing properly if you reboot your system. So I'm clicking here finish. So now I will reboot my PC by clicking on the restart button. I just rebooted my machine. Now after the installation of the pycharm community version, you will be able to see that this icon, shortcut icon, will create. So just click on this and run as administrator and click yes. Now please click on this checkbox and press continue, and then press click don't send, and this interface will open and pycharm community standard version will open. Now you can see here we have a couple of options: projects, customize plugins and learn pycharm. So to create a new project in pycharm, click on this new project, and you can see that in the location section C user, HP and pycharm projects, then you have to give the name of your project. So I am just giving my project name fast code, and keep all the things as it is, and then create. Click on this create button. Now it is creating our virtual environment. Now this page will open, and we don't need this, so just press cross button and you can make it full screen. And in this main.py folder you'll be able to see inside this folder we have a main folder, and inside the main folder we have a main.py file which is actually a Python file, and this file is a sample Python script. Like this you can create your own Python file, or you can erase it totally, or you can select it, select all, and you can delete it, and you can write your own code in this main.py file. So I'm just typing print hello world. And the advantage of this idea is it will autocomplete your code, by which you can speed up your work. So you have to save this file. So press file and then click Ctrl S or save all. Then you can run your code. Before that you have to debug your main.py file, and then you can go to the run section and you can click run main, and in the below section you can see that we have output print hello world. Also we can add two numbers like this, which I have shown in the previous video also, 2 plus 3, and then again Ctrl S to save your file, and then you can press shortcut button Shift plus F10 to run your file. So you can see in the section that we have hello world and our 2 plus 5 result, that is 5. So this is how you can use pycharm, and in this inbuilt software you can manage your all the py files under the bin section, and easily you can write your code and you'll be able to see the output below your code editor. So isn't it very easy? So just use this pycharm commentary version and let us know how it is useful for you. So in this video we have shown you that how to install Python, how to install pycharm in your system, and how to use it with a simple example. Now it's your turn. Please install pycharm in your system and do use, and let us know how it is working. And if you have any problem you can write comment below in this video. I will try to solve your problem as much as possible. So thank you. See you in the next video.